To make this all work, we need to install some software on Windows. And the first thing we need to install is Chocolatey, which is a package manager for Windows, and it will make installing the next piece of software we need a little easier. So go to your favorite search engine, and let's just assume that it's Google. And what you're going to search for is chocolatey, E-Y at the end. You get these results. You can click on installing Chocolatey for quick access, but if you don't get this maybe in a different search engine, I'll go to the standard website here. You go to Community, and then install Chocolatey. Alright, so just scroll down a little until you get this long installation line, this piece of code here. And at the end you see this little clipboard. Just click on it to copy it. When it says copy it, you're fine. Then you go to your terminal. Just click on Start here, Terminal, the Start menu, and then in the search bar type the first few letters of the word terminal. Now don't click on it just yet, because if you do, you're gonna mess up the installation, which I'm gonna demonstrate now, so you know that when you make a mistake, you know how to fix it. So if you just click on terminal, you're not executing the terminal in administrative mode. When you then right click with your mouse to paste the code that we copied from the Chocolatey website, and you press enter, it will give you an error saying that you haven't run this piece of code as an administrator. Right here it says it requires administrative permissions. Now the problem is when you close this and you open the terminal again, you go to terminal and then you right click on the result and you say run as administrator. You click yes, and then you press Ctrl V and try it again. It won't let you, because it says there's already an installation going on here and I can't install it again. The fix is really simple. Just keep this open, go to your file explorer and to your C drive, and you're going to look for program data. Now normally on a fresh installation of Windows you won't see it, so you're going to your C drive and you see program files, x86, but you don't see program data. Just go to the view menu here to show, and at the bottom you have show hidden items, and then you can view the program data. Just open program data, select Chocolatey folder and press delete. That's all you need to do. Now you press Ctrl V again to rerun the command, or you can just press the up arrow to run the last command, press enter, and now it will install. So it's installing Chocolatey, and it says here you may need to shut down and restart your console, meaning the terminal. So we're going to do that. We just close the terminal. Once again, go to start, go to terminal. Don't forget the administrative function, so run as administrator. Click yes. Alright, and now we can install the second part of our software packages that we need for this microscope. So let me close these tabs here. So go to your favorite search engine and search this time for screen copy. And you type it like this: SCR for screen, CPY for copy. So it's screen copy without all the vowels, I think. You press enter and it's the top result. It's by Genie Mobile and it tells you what it does. It will allow you to view your phone screen on your Windows machine. So this also works on Mac, by the way. So what we're gonna do is use Chocolatey to install this for us. So choco install SCR screen CPY copy, enter. Have to wait a little bit. It asks you if you want to run the script, and you're going to say A for all. Alright, and then it's done. So now we're going to close this for now. Close this. Because the next thing you need to do is install enable developer options on your phone, on your Android phone. So I'm going to show you how to do that next. Now for the fun part, get your phone, grab your USB cable, attach it to your computer, and it will ask you if you want to allow access to the phone data. You press allow. But just to be absolutely sure this is going to work, I want you to go to your developer settings. So at the bottom, go to your developer options. Then scroll a little down until you get to USB debugging, and then revoke USB debugging authorizations. Just revoke the authorizations. Then you click USB debugging off and you toggle it on. You click allow and you click OK. And now you get this, the fingerprint. This is what we want. Always allow from this computer. Select that and then allow. Now you're golden. So click out of this. Now we can activate it on the computer and mirror our screen. So back on the Windows machine, go to Start Terminal. You don't need to run it as an administrator this time. Just run it. And then type SCRCPY. Enter. It will find your phone and mirror your screen. Now, what you want to do, I mean, this is all nice and dandy, the horizontal, the vertical view, but I want you to click Alt, arrow to the left. This will view your phone in landscape mode, and now you can click it full screen. And this is awesome because now you can open your camera And let me get a little ESP32 chip here. There you go. There's your microscope. So I'm gonna show this on a better camera.